the head teacher, management of this institution, teachers, parents, students, the special administrator, Lambasa Sabu Sabu Town Council, Mr. Vijay Chand, brothers and sisters, Bula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. I feel honored and privileged to be part of this most important day of your school calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today marks the end of another year of schooling and hard work, and also signifies another school holiday, which no doubt all of you have been looking forward to, and why not? You deserve that as well. It is a very proud moment for all of you in the team who have played their part in the end result. The students have worked hard with focus, determination, and discipline. The teachers have done their utmost to help the students by encouraging and motivating them to achieve the desired results. Parents have made many sacrifices and provided their children with an environment at home and moral support to help them to achieve this academic excellence. Above all, I'm proud to say that under the Fiji Affairs government, a lot of burden has been taken off from the parents. The government is paying tuition grant, providing bus-free assistance, free textbooks, compulsory education up to year 12, and many other initiatives, so that no child is deprived of basic education. To the teaching staff, keep up your excellent work in helping to shape our future leaders. I wish to reiterate what I said in other schools, that just as our doctors and nurses save lives, our teachers save the lives of students. I'm sure you all will agree with me that after the role played by a parent of a child, a teacher is the most important person in the upbringing of a child. In many cases, we have seen and observed the child will be more attached to a teacher than to his or her parents because of the element of trust created by the environment of a classroom. I would like to congratulate all of you who have excelled in the various fields, both inside and outside the classroom, and who would be receiving the prizes. To those who have not been so lucky, please do not be disheartened. In fact, today's ceremony should act as a motivation and encouragement to do better in coming years. I urge all the students to take a pledge that you will be a worthy student of your school and abide by its rules. I urge you young people of today to commit yourself to culture of peace. Fiji can only prosper as a nation if we teach our children tolerance and respect for others' culture that may be different from ours. We have a multiracial society, all living together. Our goal should be to live in peace and harmony, respecting each other's right. Only a country that is at peace with itself, that respects the rights of all its citizens and provides equal opportunities to all its people, will be able to prosper and provide the job and opportunities that these young people seek. The future of our country lies in your hands. Always stand up for truth and justice in whatever you do. Ladies and gentlemen, before I conclude, let me make a few brief comments about our duties as responsible citizens to the environment. As you all are aware, that our Honorable Prime Minister took on presidency of COP23 in Bonn, Germany. This is a cause for national pride and action on issues relating to the environment and in particular the climate change. My ministry, in association with the Ministry of Education and local municipal councils, have implemented the Clean Schools program. This program promotes awareness about waste management, recycling, reuse, and general cleanliness. This fits in well with the call by the Honorable Prime Minister at COP23 and before the Congress for a united action, locally and globally. I call on the school management, the teachers, the community to make that a priority. Do not wait for next year. The end of school year does not mean that we do not continue with such programs. This is the challenge for the students, management, and the community that I leave behind. With these few words, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the school management, the head teacher, for the invitation. And I take this opportunity of wishing you all the very best in your future endeavors. To my Itoki brothers and sisters, I would like to seek leave and please allow me to speak in Hindi so that the audience here will understand what I have said in English.